Who's around, man? Is Dom around? I just saw a tier 3 truck.
Sumito Locco, putang ina mo!
Hey, Dom, what you doing?
I am pushing and chopping.
Oh my,
What's
I see a tier 3 truck. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
Where you at? What's your ping?
Come here. Cypress,
Where's here? Where's here?
Cypress warehouse.
Okay.
Park your car, I'll grab you.
Stables or warehouse?
Just come stables.
Alright, I got you.
Or just alleyway, wherever, homes.
Yep. Hey, we're gonna hit a tier 3 G6 truck. You down?
Oh shit, yeah. I need to, do I need a gun? I don't have a gun on there.
Ah, you good.
Wait, Oleg's here. We can use your 4-door if you want.
Alright, let's go.
Or we can use 2 cars if you guys want. Yeah, let's just go. Hey, Oleg, can you drive the tier 3 truck?
Maybe, no, I don't know. Can I?
You can. I mean, we're gonna rob him and we're gonna ask for keys. You go near him. We're gonna cover you. Then drive the truck
right.
straight to the fence, guy.
Alright, man, let me change then.
You guys got guns, right?
Yeah, actually I should change too. Yeah.
Double time, brother. Double time. Oh, Yo, what the fuck was that? Hello? What? Put your hands up, bro. Hey, I'll shoot you. Hands up. Yo, come here.
I think it's
Hands up.
same dogs as last time, maybe.
Double time, homes.
Where you at the marker?
Docs! What the fuck? Yo, Docs!
Yeah, dude, I'm at the docks. Which docks? Crime docks?
Oh my god, Grime Docs, brother, Grime Docs!
Maybe here somewhere.
Okay. Give the keys to the guy on the black.
Keys.
After
At my block,
Alright,
what block?
the manor block.
keys.
Alright. Take it easy, man.
Straight to the fence.
Yeah, let's go. Yo, that guy has mags, but he has no gun. Fuck, the driver.
Yeah, he's an idiot.
Maybe he dropped it somewhere. Wait, let me check. You guys go
Alright,
ahead.
I'm gonna follow the truck to fence. Yeah.
Fuck, man.
Sweet. These guys are gonna come up to fence as soon as they can.
Yeah, they for sure will, man. I think they will fucking call the cops. Where you guys at right now?
Just about to climb onto the highway by the old casino.
Alright.
I'm not gonna take the highway though.
Take phones now.
Holy fuck, this truck is slow.
Hey,
that's
do you
why
guys
I
wanna
don't-
go? Do you guys want to go straight to the fence or drop it somewhere?
It's
Just take
heavy.
it.
It's so heavy.
Yeah, I know it's heavy. It's fucking heavy. We gotta make multiple runs, man, if we want to sell all of those. But
Yeah.
you know, it's risky if we go straight to the fence. It's so
Yeah.
risky. That guy rolls with Manor, and you know, Manor or cops would go straight to the fence if they reported that shit. So I don't know. I'm confused. What do you guys want to do?
They can track it as well.
Yeah, they can track it.
Either we stop and take what we can, or
Yeah, let's drop everything at a mountain or somewhere, you know, and then let's just, you know, grab it. Where you guys at right now?
past the chopping spot off of Sonora.
I gotta open the doors.
Yeah.